We've created a simple Hello World app for Python so you can quickly get a feel for deploying an App Engine standard app to Google Cloud Platform. Before I started, I made sure to install the Google Cloud SDK and the App Engine Python components locally. In the Cloud Console, make a new GCP project and create an App Engine application. Choose the region closest to you, in my case, US East 1. I'm going to do this project in Python, and a standard App Engine instance works great. First, I locally clone the Hello World Python app from GitHub. Everything you need is in the Python docs sample directory, including this minimal Python file to handle the response to the HTTP request. The simple YAML file included starts the app, which you can view on localhost. Start the app and then test it by visiting localhost 8080 to see that it's working. Hooray! You have Hello World. Now you can leave the development server running and make changes that will be automatically detected. The server will reload automatically after I make any code changes. Let's change the text in main.py and watch. Good morning. To deploy the App Engine, run gcloud app deploy. It picks up the project you created earlier and will upload all the relevant files to GCP. Once that's finished, you can check out the app in your browser with gcloud app browse. And now you're live on appspot.com. Congratulations! That's it. You've deployed your first App Engine app.